This is part 1 of the tutorial series Material Nodes. Even though if you don't have the Material Nodes add-on, this still can be useful. So let's say you have an object here and you want to adjust the color, you want to give it a little bit of a dark brown material like this. You're going to save the file and then your friend is going to open it. So he's going to append your object, put it in the scene. Then I'm going to check and I see suddenly it's quite a dark material. There are loads of textures to download online and more or less they give the same issue. For example, this is wood and this then breaks tiles, and we see that the wood compared to the tiles, they don't match, and probably that is what happened as in this scene. So to prevent this, what we can do is add the plane and we give the material a so-called mid-gray. So if you go to the RGB, you set the for each RGB values 0.18, and that is called mid-gray. Now if you go to the render tab and scroll down, you go to color management and then to false color. We have to adjust or the exposure of the light so that this becomes gray. This plane becomes gray. If we put it to low, it will go from green to yellow. If we put it to high, it goes to yellow, orange, and then it's clipping, it's white. So we go back to Filmic, and now we have an idea of what we are dealing with, what kind of environment. So we see that this material, we now know that this material is indeed quite dark. And we can adjust it here. Alright, so I suggest you to use the gray card so you have an idea that is a kind of a reference. The same as we have a reference, we have a grid and we know that this is 1 unit or 1 meter. The same with the gray card, we know we have any reference, right?